Hello all, welcome to Quick Excel. Today I'm going to be going over how to include fiscal calendar fields in your data. So you can see with this data we've got an order date, ship date. So let's say with the order date we want to include the fiscal quarter, the fiscal year, those sorts of things. So first of all, let's go ahead and insert two columns. To make room for that, we'll put this as fiscal quarter. I'll put this as fiscal year. And then the next thing you have to do is set up a fiscal calendar for your company. So I just set up kind of a mock one here. You can see you've got the start date. You don't need the end date, but I just put it in there to make it easier to read. And then, so from this date to this date, you've got, it's Q3, and this is the fiscal year. So then, back in our order table, all we have to do is grab a VLOOKUP to get that field information. So first thing that I'm going to do to make this a little easier is I'm going to go ahead and name this range as fiscal calendar. And if you want more information on named ranges, you can see the video that I'll put a link down below to. Alright, so then we got VLOOKUP, which I also have another video that I'll put a link to as well. Lookup value is our date here. The table array, which we just created the named range here, is fiscal calendar. And then the column index. So the column that we're looking for the fiscal quarter is 1, 2, 3. So it's the third column. Go ahead and go 3. And we want an approximate match for this one. And you'll see I've got Q2. If I go ahead and double click this corner, it'll fill it down. And then actually I want to bring this same sort of calculation into this one. I'm going to lock this field right here so it stays with that column, and I'll fill it down. So then I can just copy, paste. You can see it's got Q2 here, but all I have to do is change this to 4. And you'll see it gives me this weird formatting. Excel sometimes does this, this weird date. So what you got to do is go in and go format cells, because it thinks this is a date for some reason, which it's not. If we go ahead and select number, then it'll give us the year. Fill that down, and then you've got the fiscal calendar information in your table. All right, thank you very much.